Hey guys, today we're making a video how to open this portable hard drive. The problem is they have the clicking noise and the computer cannot detect the hard drives at all. This is it. Let me try it on. Did you hear that? So the computer cannot recognize the hard drives that are in here. So, but anyway, it's a lot of the video out there on the YouTube right now is that people tell you how to fix this problem, but nobody tell you what right tool to open this little screw here. So I just searches and do it my own car. So I ordered this kit like $10 on Amazon, and I believe I would order the one have the size P6 and P5, and this one I think they call it a pentagon screwdriver. So what is it come with here? It come with a couple of different the price, little needles, and 3 different sizes. But anyway, this is what I'm trying to do. Let's see the fit. Okay. Let's into the one P5, P6, sorry. The P6, I don't know what, but this is what it say here. So you see it. It say 1.5-50. And they fit good. So it took for a while. This is my first time opening the hard drive, so if you open this on your own, it's your own risk. So I'm not responsibility for this. I think you have to pull one of these somewhere here. One screw right here. This thing is not magnet, so be careful. I think somewhere more. There it is. Another screw right at the center. Yeah, too many screws, I believe. I will put this one back later. Yep, one right here too. Oh, this one a different size. Nope, didn't work. This one is 6. 1, 2, 3. This is 6 star. This is 5 star. So I need another one. Let me, give me 1 second. I got different tools here. I have one of them fit. I don't know why to make too many. You get one of them a different. I'll tell you what. I have another kit. For a while. So excuse me, give me 1 second. I'm back. Alright. They got two different. There it is. They got one of these that fit. So it looks like you need a P6 pentagon and one of a Tox T-6 should be fit. Got more screw. It looks like all these holes have a little cover. Yes, this screw. So this one is bigger. But anyway, this hard drive is the, sorry. This one is the Seagate. So they have, okay, tools here, and this one fit. I bought one of the two at Harbor Freight and a Husky, and these they come with four of the they have two different size. Okay, got one more. So this one no joke one. Here it is. Every cover it's have this screw. So okay, here it is. It's open. I believe so. Yes. And this one, I don't know what the arm is. The hard drive is seeing like the armor stuck on it, but why it's not working? I think gotta be like that. I believe the big screw we have is holding this. Let me try. I hope it's work. It make a noise. Still not working. people told me just move this arm. I think. Here it is. Here it is again. Let's see. It is. It's working now. See, it's working. But I don't know, what does that mean? Let's see. I did not see yet. I don't know why. But anyway, this video I show you how, you know, what side of tool to get these out. The cover is. So, good luck, guys. Thank you.